It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Okay. Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Tell me about her. What does she look like?
She is
Hmm? She is what? What is she? She is... Is she ugly? Right? Is she old? Is she tall? Is she short? She is She's a princess? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so she is
princess.
Okay. Is she young?
No,
No?
No, she is.
Good.
This is green. This is red. A rectangle. Why is it? It is a book. It is yellow. It is white. It is an oval. Why is it? It is an egg. It is yellow. It is a diamond. Why is it? It is a kite. It is pink. It is a heart. Why is it? It is candy.